What's going on? I'm going to walk around and check out all the cars in my class and other cars that are here. We got me, leak free today. See if the tires rub. Got quite a bit of Miatas. It's some of the SS cars here. Porsche GT4. A couple of vets.
You know you're in cross.
More Miatas. Some Sonics. Subarus. Yeah. Try to get some clips of this guy here. That thing's sick to watch run. I have a few Datsuns today. There's two. This Volkswagen is in my class. Another Datsun. More Miatas. 240s. H-style cars, BMWs. I feel like I'm missing some. Fox body back here. We got TTOM car in SMF. He'll probably be up top today in this class. Got Chris's car over here. Subies. Let's try to see what his number 35 there does. Over here, got a Sonic back here that's also in my class. We got Cam car here. Nice Camaro. STS cars. Don't think there's any more SMF cars down here. STX, H-Stock. I'm not sure what that ST is running in. Yeah. This Jetta's an STM SMF. Should be interesting to see that. Watch Chris here. Watch that one. Watch Cody's Datsun here run. So, decent turnout. Should be good. I'm going to mess with some angles in here, set my tire pressures, and hopefully get some runs well. So, pretty cold day. Not sure where to set the tires at all. Hopefully they don't rub. And no oil, no power steering leak this morning, so that's good.
That's going to be the problem. Yeah.
A little bit of cone damage from my first run here. Should be able to bend that back.
Right now. Robert Bush. That's the one.
Yeah, the Focus and the Integra both kind of got a little squirrely coming across the finish.
Yeah, it looked like the vets were taking the finish kind of conservative.
doing a quick little recap. Basically, my friends that were there, they did pretty good. My best time was a 34.5, so I was 0.1 away from the Sonic. I dropped a second off my last time. Had a lot of fun. Just have to get back into it. You know, I'm just a little rusty for not racing that long. Hopefully, I don't know when the next one is, but I hope to get back out once more this season and do something. And the only real issues I had were just getting I hit a cone and messed up the splitter, which happens every once in a while. And my power steering got low on my second run. I guess it wasn't filled and it aerated, and I lost some steering for a few seconds, so I had to go run, top it off, and then just messing with tire pressure, getting back in the swing of things. So had a lot of fun. I'm usually right around the can't think of his name right now. It has the Sonic. I'm usually like right around his times. So I got back, you know, 0.1 second away. So I think that's pretty good. I'm not sure how I'll edit this or if I'll do another part. I'll leave the link below to everyone's, and I might, like, I took clips of some of my friends driving, so I might put their best time, even if it's not their best run. I might put their best time on just so you guys know, because I can't do that right now. It's not officially posted and all that, but had fun. Car seems to be doing all right, and should be ready for another one. You know, didn't break anything too severe. There is some weird clunking. I gotta probably go through the front end, make sure everything's tight. I think it might be the exhaust, not 100%, but I've never heard the clunking before until racing here today. So it could be just anything small, loose, like any bolt on the coilover, stuff like that. I'll just have to go through everything and check the whole front end since that's all been redone. You know, it could be a sway bar link or something like that. So hope you guys like this video. I'll post all my 4 runs separate. I'm just gonna post, like, you know, I just post my best one in this video. I'm not trying to make it too long. So like and subscribe. Till next time.